Okay, the toughest drawing, right, is not square, not rectangle, not parallelogram, not rhombus, but it's actually trapezium. Okay, this is the toughest one because a lot of students, they cannot visualize. Now over here, they say that, okay, there are 3 dots A, B, C. Okay, all the lines drawn must start and end on dots. Okay, so they say draw a trapezium ABCD where AB is parallel to DC. And DC must be twice as long as AB. Now let's see, roughly, we must roughly gauge first. It's A, B, C, D. D must be somewhere over here. Not sure where is it. They know that, they tell us that AB is parallel to DC, so it's going to be like this. But it's 2 times longer. Okay, so I must start using the counting method. From B, right, to go to A, right, is 1 down, 2 left. So from C must be 1 down and 2 left, but it must be twice as long. So it should be 2 down and 3 left. 2 down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try again. This one is 1 down, 2 left. So it should be 2 down, 4 left. 1, 2, 2 down, 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's actually over here. It's twice as long. Again, from A to B is 1 down, 2 left. 1, 1, 2. Since this line, right, DC is twice as long, right, it should be, instead of 1 down, 2 left, it should be 2 down, 4 left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's actually over here. So this is DC. This is how you draw a trapezium. The last one is connected dots. Okay, so it's a trapezium. It goes like this. So always remember to use the counting method. Now they say that draw an isosceles triangle BCE roughly here where E is above the trapezium. This is not very helpful actually, because obviously it's above the trapezium I mean, like, but it can be over here as well. But okay, but whatever. Okay, now isosceles triangle means that 2 sides must be equal, right? So I'm going to pick this side BCE. This is equal to this side. Okay, so from B to C, let's do the counting method. 1 down, 1, 2, 3, 3 left. 1 down, 3 left. 1, 2, 3. So I want to draw this one. So it should be 1 up, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So why do I want to do this? Is because if you do 1 up and 1, 2, 3 right, and then for C is 1 down and 1, 2, 3 right? These 2 lines will be equal. Okay. And if the 2 lines are equal, means that the angles are actually the same. Alright, simple, right? So this is E. So remember, always go and draw the counting method. Alright, done. Okay, wait, not done yet. This is label dot D. I haven't labeled yet, so my mistake. So I'm going to put D over here. D. Done.